Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin there, and we're gonna look at some dandy items. And this one's Blinker the Moose. Blinker the Moose is made by Dandy, and that one's vintage. He is a white moose with a red nose and eyelids, and wears a red scarf, shoes, and a shirt with a red and white striped pattern to it. And he also wears green gloves and pants. His antlers light up as he plays Christmas music. Yep, that's Blinker the Moose. Okay. Let's Wild Ride Santa. Ooh, look at that. It looks like Santa riding on a reindeer. He sings Live. Yep, and that one says The Wild Ride Santa is made by Dandy in 2006. Santa is riding a reindeer wearing a red scarf and black glasses. Santa sways and reindeer turns his head and moves his mouth while singing Liva la Vitilaka. Yep, Wild Ride Santa, that's what he looks like. Jingle Bear. G-I-N-G-L Bear. Let's see what he looks like. Ooh. That one's pretty vintage. And it has the word jingles and it has bells. The Jingle Bear is made by Dandy. He wears a red Santa Claus hat and holds the word jingle with bells on it, which lights up in a citrain pattern during its sequence. He sings Jingle bells. And there's a video, so I think I already watched that. Let's watch this. Jingle Bear. Yep, that's what he looks like. It looks like this, and it's vintage. Toy Soldier Bear. What does he look like? It looks like this. The Toy Soldier Bear is made by Dandy. He wears a black British hat and has a nutcracker costume on. He also holds a golden drum with 2 drumsticks, one on each hand. He sways back and forth and moves his feet in a marching motion to the song Little Drummer Boy. Really cute. Oh, look at that. Animated Jolly Old Saint Nick. That one's pretty vintage. It looks like the Santa with a rubber head. The Jolly Old Saint Nick is made by Dandy. He's a Santa Claus figure that holds a dark green bag over his shoulder. He bobs his head side to side and moves his mouth while he sings Jingle Bell Rock. He's really cute. Dancing Jack Skellington. Oh, that's from the movie. Holiday Scotties. Ooh, I love Scottish Terriers. Oh, these are so cute. The Holiday Scotties is an assortment of animated singing Christmas plush dogs that made by Dandy in 2012. Each one wears a classy holiday sweater with a color pattern. Each one dances and his cheeks light up while singing a Christmas song. Yep, I love Scottish Terriers. They're my favorite dogs. Yep, Holiday Scotties look like this. Holiday Reindeer Pack. What is this one? Wow, look at those. The Holiday Reindeer Pack is made by Dandy. It features 2 items. The first item is a toe-tapping pajama reindeer. The other item is the banjo-playing reindeer one-song version. The toe-tapping pajama reindeer wears a dark green pajamas and reindeer slippers and a Santa hat. The banjo-playing reindeer wears green overalls and a red shirt and a plaid hat, holding a golden banjo. The toe-tapping pajama reindeer and the banjo-playing reindeer both play Grandma Got Run Over by a Reindeer. The pajama reindeer sings the original of the banjo reindeer plays a banjo version. It looks like this. Rootin' Tootin' Reindeer. What is this? What does this look like? Oh, it looks like this. He farts to deck the halls and was made by Dandy. He wears a red pair of overalls and a green and red scarf. Let's watch the video. And that one's unavailable. I don't know why. Okay, Toby the Turkey. That one, oh, look at that. That one's really vintage. That one's really old. Toby the Turkey is made by Dandy. He wears a pilgrim's hat and white collar with a brown shirt and black pants. He sways his head and moves his mouth while singing Turkey in the Straw. That's what he looks like. Singing Shaking Witch. Let's see what he looks like. Ooh, that one's vintage. But 2000 is vintage. The Singing and Shaking Witch is made by Dandy in 2000. She wears a black shirt, purple pants, a green cape, and a black witch hat. Her cheeks light up, and she shakes to trick or treat stomp. That's what he does. Wobbling Monsters. Let's see what he looks like. Oh, look at those ones. There's a Frankenstein and a vampire. Let's see what it says. The Wobbling Monsters is an assortment of animated Halloween plush made by Dandy. Each one is dressed in a cool way with a realistic appearance. Each one's cheeks light up as it wobbles across the floor to Halloween song. The Frankenstein sings Monster Mash. The werewolves sing Bad Moon Rising, and the vampire sings Feeling Spooky, a Halloween parody of the song Do You Love Me? But it does not have a wolf like the werewolf. And there's 2 videos, and let's watch it. And here's that creepy spider thing. Let's see what he does here. And the Frankenstein. Okay, let's watch the video.
With my eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from its slab began to cry. Then suddenly, to my surprise, it is the monster man. It was a graveyard smash. It got on in a flash.
Okay. The wobbling monsters look like this. And it wobbles to Cuddle Crew. Let's see what it looks like. Cuddle Crew. Oh, these are really cute. They're both vintage. They're both old. Like, vintage means really old. There's a dog and a cow. The cow sings, "Old MacDonald had a farm," and the dog sings, "How much is that doggy in the window?" The Cuddle Crew is a series of singing, shaking, plush characters made by Dandy. Each one is a different animal that holds a baby version of itself in its right arm. They both light up and shake as they sing a classic children's song. And they're both really cute. I know what Banjo Reindeer is. We already looked at that one. Cellphone Santa. Cellphone Santa looks like this. This is an animated Santa in armchair with cell phone made by Dandy. He has quick conversations with Mrs. Claus, Snowman, Reindeer, and Elf. His head and mouth move as his cheeks light up. When he picks up the phone will flip by itself, and the antenna with start blinking. This one's really cute. Yep, that one's really cute. Holly Jolly Shufflers. Oh, that one's really vintage. That one's really old. The Holly Jolly Shufflers look like this. The Holly Jolly Shufflers are animated Christmas figures made by Dandy. When activated, the character moves his head, right foot, and left hand while singing a Christmas song. The Santa sings "Jingle Bell Rock," and then the reindeer sings "Holly Jolly Christmas." Yep. The Holly Jolly Shufflers are really old and also vintage. Balloon Valentine Cow. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that one's really cute. It looks like this. The balloon Valentine Cow is made by Dandy. He wears a red bow necktie. He holds a heart-shaped balloon that reads "Happy Valentine's Day." He sways his head side to side as he sings "Fly Me to the Moon." He looks like this. He's really cute. Magical Musical Hopper. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, they're jumping Easter bunnies. The Magical Musical Hopper is made by Dandy. He's a white bunny that wears a top and bow tie and holds a magic wand